snake gourd tomato coconut milk rice or tomato snake gourd coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make snake gourd tomato coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 250 grams of snake gourd cut into pieces, 3 red chillies, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 3 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in a spoon of fennel seeds. Put in the garlic and the ginger. And 3 red chilies, shallots, salt, pepper. mix the tomatoes thoroughly with sticky mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix and let the mixture cook for 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now put in 1 cup of rice, washed and soaked after the required amount of cooking. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the snake gourd tomato coconut milk rice is ready. The tomato snake gourd coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tomato snake gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.